From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the old arch nemesis, that subtropical jet stream coming at us from the southwest, throwing a batch of rain at us earlier today, keeping it gloomy even outside of the showers. Lots of misty drizzle across the area, and that's the story through tomorrow. Eventually, a much better chance of rain and soaking rains on the way into Thursday. So let's take a look at that big picture as we look at the upper level low. That's going to be our Thursday weather maker rather. But the subtropical jet stream dominating, it's shifting a little bit back to the west. So that's where the main precipitation has been, the persistent precipitation. You have this big hot ridge of high pressure. It's keeping Florida in the mid to upper 80s. So they're the only folks that are missing out on winter-like conditions across the region. So as we look at the big picture, we see kind of very similar to what we saw yesterday. Snow and freezing rain and sleet as you get into portions of Arkansas and then back across Texas. Anything here in the salmon color is sleet. Then you get into that purple. That's freezing rain. So we continue to have winter storm warnings across Texas and winter weather advisories all around us. But that cold air not getting here anytime soon. But we have chilled down our frontal boundary. If you look at the wind particles right here down along the coast, and still not making impacts down in St. Mary Parish, where temperatures got into the low to mid 70s this afternoon. The rest of us 40s and 50s. And as we take a look at Power Doppler 3, not a whole lot showing up. We have misty drizzle area wide, but the drizzle is so fine that the Doppler radar beam goes right through it. But we are picking up on shower activity, mainly along and north of I-10 from the Welsh area into Jeff Davis Parish, and some pretty good shower activity showing up between Basile and Eunice. Eunice, it looks like you're going to see a batch of rain coming through in the next 20 minutes or so. Should last about a half hour, and then back to your drizzle and mist schedule. So that's the story overnight tonight. We'll see mostly cloudy skies. Again, pressure gradient kind of packed, so a breeze out of the northeast. By tomorrow morning, lower 40s, so a little bit of a chill in the air with mostly cloudy skies, some misty drizzle at any time. Some scattered showers mid-afternoon hours. Models like it toward the west of us or to the north of us, but so far the subtropical jet stream has been over-delivering on igniting some precipitation. So I'm going 40% tomorrow. I think it's 20%. Weather Service is going for a 20%. That's a brave forecast. Might be a good one, but it's a brave forecast. We'll err on the side of caution. Scattered showers possible. Then as we head into Thursday, here we go. Widespread rain, some embedded thunder possible. And right near this area of low pressure, there could be a very low-end threat of severe weather, but we're not concerned with it. Showers begin to taper Thursday afternoon, and going into Friday, we'll start out with mostly cloudy skies, but we should see the sun return for Friday afternoon. As for rainfall totals, we're going with the Euro here. Again, 1 to 3 inches of rain possible Thursday. Some areas get less, some areas get more, and like the last 3 systems that have moved through Acadiana, we've exceeded the forecast totals other than the graph model, and the graph model is not doing too well today. We'll see how that looks later on tonight. But overall, expect another soaking on Thursday, and then winter weather to our north and to our west. Some more accumulating ice across the Texas Hill Country from all the way back through by the Big Bend, through San Angelo, and then as you get into the higher country of the Texas Hill Country outside of Austin to the north and west, where you have some elevation at play. Severe weather threat for Acadiana going into Thursday. Low-end threat. We're not going to play this up too much. I don't think we're going to see much, but maybe southeast Louisiana. Temperatures tonight, lower 40s. Could see upper 30s, northern portions of the area. And then tomorrow, we stay mostly in the 40s to lower 50s. So overnight tonight, 42 is the low that we'll go with patchy drizzle and mist from time to time. Chance of enough rain to wet the ground at about 30%. We go 40% tomorrow with plenty of drizzle and mist, especially during the morning hours, and I think we just see lots of cloud cover, maybe a few breaks in the clouds if we're lucky. We get into Thursday, there's your 90% chance of rain. We'll say 1 to 3 inches of rain possible. Clearing for Friday afternoon, and looky here, we got a good-looking weekend on tap with mostly sunny skies Saturday, fair to partly cloudy skies, maybe a few more clouds Sunday, and temperatures nice and comfortable. Not quite spring-like, but a nice dry weekend, which we haven't had in the last several weekends.
We've been watching. All right. Thanks, Rob.